Welcome to the 5th in the basic series of PanelPilotACE tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to create a group meter. This is a useful feature for creating bar graph meters and so on. So each bar graph or each group meter is made up of a number of individual elements, and these turn on and off based on the voltage input. So the first thing we're going to do is select them all. So I'm going to use the mouse and the control button and just select all of these. And I've got a number of useful tools here in the right click menu. So right click, distribute them horizontally, that'll spread them evenly. And then in the align elements, just click the vertical center and that will line them all up vertically. The final thing to do is now right click and click group. Now that creates the group of images that we're going to use for our group meter. So now we need to add the behavior that we're going to be using for our group meter. So let's just scroll down here in the library, drag group meter on, and I need to drag a analog input on as well. So in the properties editor of the group meter, so I'm just going to change the analog input here, set that to the second channel so that we're not interfering with our dial meter. And in the group element I just need to assign the analog input to and the group of images that I want to use to turn on. So that should be configured. So we're just going to go up here and emulate that, and you can see that actually we need to move, we've got the dial meter here, we need to use the button to move to the next screen, and on our second voltage input you can see as the voltage increases the images turn on one by one.